kissing Santa Claus. I can't believe what my eyes just seen. Oh no, I think mommy kissing Santa Claus. I see mommy kissing Santa Claus. I think mommy kissing Santa Claus. I see mommy kissing Santa Claus. I think mommy kissing Santa Claus. I see mommy in pajamas baking cookies in the oven. Then she laid a kiss on Santa. Oh no, I can't believe my eyes. When daddy come home, mama catch him by surprise. They in the groove, it got me confused. They dancing real smooth. I need the truth. I run in the kitchen like break it up. I tell him to move. I rip off the beard and look at him like daddy is you. Major Melly, come with me. Oh no, I see mommy kissing Santa Claus. I can't believe what my eyes just seen. Oh no, I think mommy kissing Santa Claus. I see mommy kissing Santa Claus. I think mommy kissing Santa Claus. I see mommy.
Subscribe and like the next 5 videos.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff. This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. There is some weather nearby which may cause us to encounter severe turbulence over the next couple of minutes. At this time, we recommend that flight attendants get to their jump seats. This is your first officer from the flight deck speaking. We seem to be through the worst of the turbulence. Sorry about how rough it got. The aircraft is perfectly fine. Thank you for your cooperation and patience.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.